Hello guys, we are today in Pakistan, Rawalpindi district, and today we will see how they made a delicious dish in Pakistan which is called Gola. So let's see. This is the stall and there are different items by which they make the item which is called Gola. It contains like sugar and many other things. We will see each of them. This is the stall and the people working at the stall.
भैया ऐसे एरिया नहीं इधर बनाई ना चलो एडिट करी छोड़ने ना मैं करी छोड़ समझ
So you can see here that he is making it from first of all he is using it is called ice. So first they are using ice and we will see how they make it. Let's see. They are putting ice in a material or something which is like a chopstick. So let's see. They are placing it at one place so that it should not melt and so that it could have united for some time. Like this you can see. Okay, they are once again putting chopsticks in it and they will similarly place it on the table. You can see. Now let's see what they do next. They are pouring an item which is called Falooda. Falooda on the ice. It is the second steps to make it. Let's see. You can see it. And now they are pouring a material on it which is called Sheree. It is something a material which is made up of sugar. So they are pouring it over it. Now they are placing it in different plates. And once again they are pouring another material which is similar to the Sheree but it is something more you can say liquid.
हो गया भैया
They have made it and now they will serve to the people. Let's see how they serve it. These are the two golas and we will see how the people are eating it.
Wow, this is so tasty. Show me. Okay.
I'm sure he is enjoying it. Okay, these cups actually contain that items called Sheree and they have poured the that gola thing in that Sheree to make it more tasty and more better. So once again this is the video of the outer side of that stall. It is an area where there is very much rush. Thank you.